Okay, so one of the most important things you need to know about ProPresenter 7 is about the looks function. Now, the looks function tells different layers to go to different screens so that we can split and have different formatted things on various screens, okay? Now, the first thing I want to point out is you can see all the different layers right here, okay? The top one is audio. The one under that, the airplane, is messages. We don't use that. We don't really use audio unless it's a special occasion. The one under that is props. I'll show y'all props later. This one is, the next one is announcements. The next one is slides. So where you see the lyrics, if I click where the lyrics are, that's a slide. If I click that, the lyrics go away, okay? The next one is background. So if I have a background and lyrics up, those are two different layers. If I click this, my lyrics go away. If I click this, my backgrounds go away, okay? And if I click this is our video input, my video input would go away, okay? I click the video input off, it's gone now, all right? So, what I mean by our different looks is that everything is told to go to a different place, okay? Here on our multi-view, you see our stream. This is what comes up on our stream, okay? And I have a look set to where when we're on stream during worship, this is what would be on our front projector right now. This would get formatted to lower thirds in a special format, okay? And we'll get into themes and stuff in a minute. Now we're going to take a look at looks. Looks, you would go to screens, edit looks. This is our looks pane, okay? As you can see, these are all our different looks. Where you would see live, this is the look that's live, our worship look, okay? So if you ever want to see where a look is live, in case something doesn't look right, you need to go to screens and look at live, and that tells you which look is on. And then if you need to, you can manually change it right here, all right? But for this video, we're going to look at edit looks. Now, in my different looks, I have different layers activated, okay? So this is my worship look, all right? Right here is TLC stream. Right here is front projector, okay? I don't have a mask, don't need a mask. On the stream, I have props and messages enabled. Props is where we're going to put our CCLI and our giving message and everything like that to the stream, okay? This blue check means it's only going to the stream. If I try to put a prop up on the big screen, the front projector, and I'm in this particular look, and this is not checked, it won't go, okay? Announcements is not being used at all in this look. Slide is being used on the stream. We don't want media to the stream, because if we have media to the stream, it'll overpower our video input. And then our video input is enabled on the stream, okay? So you'll see right here we have a theme set up. So what that means is on the stream, our slides are going to be formatted a special way because of this theme. And this theme is under TLC lyrics, and it's black box lower third, okay? So that's that. That is what black box lower third does, okay? We have that on the front projector, and because of the look that we have set up, we have that on the stream, okay? So sermon is the exact same except for the theme that we have selected. So on sermon, we have script lower third selected, okay? That's the only difference between worship and sermon. Countdown, all we have selected is media. So when the countdown is selected, here we go. Here's my countdown up here. when I select this, this is the only thing that's going to be able to be seen on my screens, okay? Because of the particular look that I have set up, and I'll get into how that works here in a second. But as you can see, here's my looks. This is my countdown look, and the countdown is running on both the stream and the front projector at the same time, okay? Pre-service has its own look. My videos that I have for the stream only go to the announcements layer. That's why the announcements layer is the only thing selected during pre-service on the stream. That's what we want, okay? And then front projector has slides and media, all right? Baptism, if we ever have a baptism, I have a special document for that with the ATEM stream put up in it. So then if we have baptism, you would click that particular document, and we'll look at that in a second, and you can see that the video input is selected on both the front projector and the TLC stream, so all they would be getting is the video input. We would have to go to something else to pull that look off, okay? So in order to use these looks, we have add actions, okay? So I'm going to use the countdown as an example. You saw the countdown look and how the countdown takes over both the stream and the front projector when I click it. That is because we have an add action on it. Do you see that little guy with the mustache? That's an add action, okay? And in order to set an add action, you would go to add action, audience look, and I have countdown selected, okay? Now if we have to remove an action, we would go to remove action, audience look, and little guy's gone. But I need to keep that there so that anytime that is selected, my countdown is doing what it's supposed to, okay? Now these different little audience looks are added to various slides. So this one would be worship. So it formats the look to the live look, okay? Pre-service announcements, you can't see it because it's white, but I have an add action right here. And that particular add action, or audience look, I keep calling it add action. That particular add action is going to be the pre-service one. So anything playing here is going to go to the front projector, and a different feed will go to the stream. Stream pre-service videos, you can see the little guy here. This is also the pre-service audience look. So if I go to pre-service announcements and I select this, you can see that nothing is on the stream, nothing is on the back projector, and there's something on the front projector, okay? But if I go here to stream pre-service and I click this, all of a sudden that is what I'm getting on my stream, okay? So that will go through a loop probably once or twice. But just so you know, the countdown, you already saw that. This is what happens on countdown. Okay. Logo. This is what happens on logo. You always have to have this selected for the stream though, okay? That has to be selected for the stream. Songs. Each first slide of the song is going to be the background with the action for worship. That way we know that we're always on the right action. So whenever we're going to start a song, we have to click this slide before we start clicking through lyrics, okay? Baptism. Okay, so I have this baptism one down here. We don't use it unless there's a baptism, obviously. You see this little action guy here? This is the baptism add action. So we would click this. I'm going to click it and watch what happens. We've got a stream. We've got the feed to both here and the stream, okay? So in order to get off of that, I would probably go back to lyrics, or the lyric slides, or I would go to that. And I'm back to where I need to be, okay? Kind of complicated, but once you get the gist of it, it's not. Obviously, it's something to get used to, and it's something to be aware of whenever you're doing media. just remember there's always different looks, and these different looks have different commands, okay?